Hey everyone, it's FTJ. Bought this at Target. It's only 40 bucks. It comes with one autograph and a relic memorabilia card. Figure there wasn't much left there. It's like one of the last ones on the shelf. I like doing that, buying the last one on the shelf. Seems to bring me a lot of luck. And for 40 bucks, there's not much. 26 of the 2016s left. So I figure I'll break it. See if any. I mean, I saw a couple videos online on YouTube. Not really expecting too much. You get 4 packs, 10 cards in a pack. All right, let me just go ahead. And this one's, I like them too because they're before the season started. Maybe you'll get a rookie, you know. And the cards look nice, I'll be honest. So that's Gronkowski. No, it's not. Nanovic, like, that's the thing, you'll get these players that aren't like big name players. Matthews. These are actually pretty good players. They're not bad looking cards. Yeah, like I said, this pack is from August before the season started. Braxton Miller, Romo, Jeremy Hill, Richard Sherman, C.J. Anderson, Antonio Brown, Cutler, Cooper, Fitzgerald, Ajayi. This is probably the autograph because I think the other one's the relic, so let me actually do this first. I know somebody who's a Clay Matthews fan, so maybe I'll give this to them. DeAndre Washington. Saw online that somebody else got this card. Jones, Tyrod Taylor, Yeldon, Bridgewater, Dalton, Rawls, Macklin. I thought there was supposed to be also a numbered card in here. Let me look really quick. Probably not. Alright, so this one should have the autograph in it. Alright, here's Gronkowski. Not the other guy. Alright, so the autograph is Vernon Hargreaves. I think somebody else got him online. I saw a video. Alex Smith, Cousins, Landry, Ivory, and Jones. So I'm pretty happy. I think it might be my favorite card in the whole thing. I guess aside from the autograph. Back of the card. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. But that was $40 from Target. You know, not really anything great, but it's pretty fun. Alright, thanks for watching.